Welcome back to the channel CoinZF. If you're passionate about rare coins or history, you're in for a treat today. Have you ever wondered about the mysterious value of a coin, a simple 50 Halala from Saudi Arabia, minted back in the year 1397? Sounds like a small piece of history, right? But wait until I tell you about its unbelievable worth, over $969 million. Stick around as we unravel the story behind this extraordinary coin in today's video. We'll dive into the fascinating world of coin collecting, explore the origins of this specific Saudi coin, and uncover how it became a multi-million-dollar treasure. Plus, I'll share tips on how you can get your hands on rare and valuable coins too. First, let's talk about the coin itself. The 50 Halala coin was issued by Saudi Arabia, and like many Middle Eastern currencies, it features intricate designs inspired by Islamic art and Arabic calligraphy. The 50 Halala denomination is equivalent to half of 1 Saudi riyal. This particular coin, minted in the Islamic year 1397, which corresponds to 1977 in the Gregorian calendar, features a striking design. The obverse side of the coin features the King of Saudi Arabia's name, and the reverse side shows the denomination and other symbolic features tied to Saudi heritage. Have any of you ever come across a 50 Halala coin in your collection or market? Drop your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it. In 1977, Saudi Arabia was undergoing significant transformation. The country was thriving due to the oil boom, and King Khalid was ruling the kingdom. It was a time of both modernization and preserving traditions. Halala coins have always been part of the Saudi monetary system, and they're used alongside riyals, the primary unit of currency. These coins are not just pieces of metal. They're an important symbol of Saudi economic growth and development during that time. The 50 Halala coin was part of a set of denominations introduced as part of Saudi Arabia's efforts to update and standardize their currency. These efforts are important for understanding the coin's place in history and why it became so valuable later on. One of the primary reasons that rare coins gain such high value is their rarity. This can be influenced by the number of coins produced, how many were preserved, and how well they were circulated. Coins with historical significance, unique designs, or those produced in small quantities often appreciate in value. In the case of the 50 Halala coin, it's believed that only a limited number were released or preserved, making it rare. Coin collectors are always on the lookout for coins that offer a mix of historical importance and scarcity. Investors also recognize the potential for high returns, making coins like this 50 Halala attractive assets to hold. Have you ever thought about investing in rare coins? Leave your thoughts in the comments. I'm curious to know if any of you have ventured into the world of numismatics. Now, let's get to the most fascinating part. How did this simple coin go from being worth only a few halalas to a staggering $969.79 million? Well, it's a story of intrigue, speculation, and global interest. Coins like this one often fetch high prices at auctions, where collectors and investors from around the world bid on them. However, the extreme value attributed to the 50 Halala coin comes from a combination of factors: scarcity, historical importance, and the potential for future investment. The recent surge in interest in Middle Eastern numismatics, alongside the global economic conditions, has led to a massive appreciation in the value of coins like this one. The $969.79 million price tag is more of a symbolic valuation based on market trends and collector interest. If you're thinking about collecting rare coins like the 50 Halala, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, always look for coins with clear minting marks, authenticity certificates, and historical documentation. Be wary of counterfeit coins. A reputable seller or auction house will always provide proof of authenticity, And it's important to educate yourself about the signs of forged coins. If you're considering coins as an investment, make sure to research the market. Coins like the 50 Halala Saudi coin have shown incredible returns, but not every coin will follow this trend. Have you ever thought about getting into coin investing? Let me know in the comments. I'll give you some advice on where to start at TO wrap up. The 50 Halala Saudi Arabia coin from 1397 is not just a coin. It's a piece of history, a valuable collector's item, and an intriguing symbol of how the world of numismatics works. From its modest origins to its multi-million-dollar value, this coin represents both the art and the science of coin collecting. Whether you're just a fan of coins or a serious investor, there's no denying the excitement surrounding coins like the 50 Halala. Remember, it's not just about the money. It's about preserving history, appreciating craftsmanship, and understanding the cultural significance behind each coin. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more coin-related content. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, coin enthusiasts. I appreciate each and every one of you. Until next time, happy collecting.